We are in Okayama Prefecture in Japan, in the middle of Honshu, the main island, so far from the Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Japan. And we are in Okutsu Onsen, a well-known natural hot springs area. And there's three hot springs areas renowned in Okayama Prefecture. That's Yunogo Onsen, Okutsu Onsen, and Yubara Onsen. So this is one of them. You can see there's a 850-year-old ginkgo tree way up there. So there's 8 rooms in this ryokan called OkutsuSo. This one is called Seikantei. It's one of the 2 detached cabin, or they say hanare in Japanese, special rooms with open air hot springs bath. So again, Okutsu Onsen is very well known for the quality of its natural hot springs, and there's an abundance of it. You walk in, and here is the main living room, Japanese style, washitsu, very traditional. See? So this is the, I guess the highest category room. There's only 8 rooms here, but Seikantei does have an open air bath outside, which is pretty cool. So over here is the bedroom, which is Western style, which is nice and comfortable. This bedroom was added in late 2019, just before COVID. So really comfortable. And there's even a massive Sony flat screen TV, which is nice. So anyways, so before that, you basically just had this and here, and I'm sure they had the futons that they rolled out at night. But now it's become more spacious and comfortable. So anyways, we chose this place because, at least, especially in Japanese reviews and rankings, Okutsu Onsen, and specifically OkutsuSo, this ryokan, is highly rated for its hot springs as well as food quality. Here is a little closet space, mini bar, complimentary. And so let's go and take a look in the bathing area. And hello. So to the left, is a toilet. Of course, with a washlet and bidet. And then let's turn around and go to the main event. And this is it. Free flowing. This is natural, straight from the source, onsen bath. And you can see another massive ginkgo tree. And another one over here. So anyways, the reason it's shaped like a key, we were just explained to us, is that one of the lords of this area a long time ago, the onsen is called Kagi no Yu because the onsen was so awesome that he ordered the bath, the room with the bath, to be locked because he only wanted to use it and didn't want others to use it. And Kagi means key in Japanese, so in that spirit, it's shaped like a keyhole. So anyways, so if you don't have an open air bath or onsen bath in the room, it's not a big deal. There's actually 4 onsen baths, three communal onsen baths. 1 is open air, 2 are not, along the river, and there's also 1 rental bath, private, that you can rent privately. And so let's take a look over here. It is along the river. I'm not going to bother opening it for you, but there is a river right here. Forgot the name of it. But anyways, this is a well-known onsen town and a very nice onsen. And we'll see how the food stacks up, but this is where we'll be staying. OkutsuSo and room Detached Villa Hanare Seikantei. Hope you enjoyed.